I use Kofax PowerPDF to create or edit documents, and have been told Kofax has an electronic signature solution that integrates with PowerPDF. How does that work?
Okay, I'm glad people are asking questions about PowerPDF. So it's not clear from the question what version of PowerPDF you are using. Definitely you got that correct. So recently, with the introduction of version 4.0, Kofax has introduced inbuilt and seamless integration between PowerPDF and SignDoc. What that really means is the user, whoever is using PowerPDF, they don't have to switch to a different application, just like you would have to do in case if you create this PDF, and let's say if you're using one of those competitor products for electronic signatures, the users till this introduction of version 4.0, they had to create this package and then upload that into a signing solution, like for example, DocuSign or PandaDocs or Adobe Sign, for example, and they have to create the signature package, define the signature fields before it is sent to the recipient for signature. So they have to play with a few different products as such. With this introduction of integration between PowerPDF and SignDoc, they don't have to switch to another product. It's all done from within PowerPDF. But bear in mind, you need an active subscription or active license to use SignDoc. But it's not quite a problem because SignDoc has got flexibility in terms of deployment models. You can either install SignDoc with a full SignDoc license that you can get from your account manager with Kofax or with a partner, or you can sign up for a subscription-based SignDoc license, which is more cost-effective, that are offered either by Kofax or by partner networks like us. In fact, while we're on this topic, I just want to emphasize that ACMO has got a cloud-based subscription SignDoc hosted in our AWS cloud here in Australia. And we also offer, as you know, Ekta, we also offer 7 days free trial for our customers to play with it. So who are asked this question, go ahead, have a look at our website, sign up for a free trial by all means, have a play with how that integration works between PowerPDF and SignDoc, and I'm pretty sure you'll like it.
Awesome. Okay. Thank you, Joseph.